Are you a digital marketer and you are sick and tired of chasing the sale? Maybe you've purchased a course and you haven't made any sales, but you're still looking for a way to make money online and quit your job. I have something for you. I just became an affiliate marketer for a lifestyle membership that has so many freaking perks. I want to share it with you. With this lifestyle membership, not only do you get your own travel portal that's going to give you anywhere between 40 to 75% off your travels, and that's cruises, hotels, resorts, any type of vacation you dreamed of, you could save a lot of freaking money. The other thing that I love about this membership is you can use it going to Broadway shows, movies, you can do car rentals, you can do amusement parks. There are so many, I can't even list the savings that you are going to get. But here is where it becomes extremely fascinating, is you can earn income too. So not only can you, so I'm going to back up. You can be a customer for everything that I just said. But if you want to earn amazing money and you don't want to constantly chase the sale, this program is going to set you up for life. Now, it is work. It is a job. It is your business. You do have to put the work in. It is a matrix, and some people are going to be freaking out about being part of a matrix. But the ability to earn by doing this business, and I have a couple videos in my Stan Store you should really, really check out, because you really only need to lock two people in to earn great income. And you teach those two people to do exactly what you just did. That's, again, if you want to be an affiliate marketer. You don't have to be an affiliate marketer. You can earn those amazing rewards by just being a customer. But if you are tired and you're just, you're like, oh my gosh, doing these videos every day, I'm just getting burnt out, but you're still wanting out of that job, you should check this out. And if you just want to join me on a webinar, comment webinar below and I will hook you up so you can see for yourself how amazing this opportunity is and how you could work this really hard for the next 3 to 6 months, maybe even 12, to live a completely different lifestyle this time next year. So again, if you're interested, check out those videos in my Stan Store. You can get started there. Or if you just want to join me, watch a webinar, comment webinar below.